Today we're out here in my Winnebago View 2018 J model. I'm out here doing my monthly checks. Make sure everything's okay. No critters taking over or anything like that inside. Everything's stored up for the winter. But that shouldn't scare you because it only takes a minute to unwinterize and get it going down the road. One of the things we check when we come in the door is the battery tender. We want to make sure it's powered on. The light is red today because, well, we had a storm last night. We lost power for a little while. So it's starting over on its process of charging the battery. I plug it into the outlet underneath the table because we are on shore power here. We're at home. And it's connected to the outlet below the dash. That's a direct connection to the chassis battery. So that's there to charge the chassis battery. The next thing we check are the gauges. We want to make sure the batteries are being charged fully. And they're good. Like I said, we lost power, so everything's charging up. Check the solar. We're actually making a little bit of solar today. There's an alternate propane gauge I installed, much more accurate than the one place. And we have power on the unit. 118 volts, 4 amps right now. This is our Progressive Industries unit. It's built in. Really nice. Nice thing to have. Everybody should have one. Okay, so part of the monthly routine is to test the generator. Get that running for maybe a half an hour. So in order to test the generator, we're going to disconnect from shore power. And we're going to plug the cord in to the outlet. So, on this 2018, we have a propane generator. And there's auto start. So we'll just hit the button. Put it into auto start. And listen for the generator. Takes a little while. And there it goes. And according to the EMS, we're doing 127 volts, 0 amps. 0 amps because it hasn't transferred yet. Okay, now it's transferred over. 121, 8 amps. Okay. Okay, while the generator's running, I typically plug this heater in and run it so we can put a little bit of a load on the generator. Helps dry out the coils. So I take that and I plug it in. Put it up on high. In the winter it's nice to get a little heat in here. Now we should see a significantly bigger load on the generator. Okay. Yep, we're drawing, let's see, 123 volts, 17 amps. That's a good load for the generator. That'll help dry it out. Make sure everything's okay. While we're doing this, the neighbor's dog has just came in. Come here, Sonny. He's always up for a visit. Sonny, what you doing, baby? What you doing? Yeah, looking for lunch. No lunch here. When the RV's stored for the winter, we put all the food away. Okay, generator's been running for a while. Sonny, what are you doing? Now it's time to turn it off. Nice and warm in here now. Okay, so we're going to disconnect the heater. And then we're going to come up here and hit the stop button. And that's it for this month's check. Now I'm going to go back out. I'm going to plug in the shore power. And typically we would take this for a ride. However, it's due for a service. So it'll be going for a service this week. And that'll be our ride. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. So, okay. Hope you learned something from this little short video and how to take care of your motorhome in the off season. All right. Stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them in the bottom in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help if I can.